Right, we did the 6 exercising sums. Hope it went well with you. Let's see now if we carry over what happens. If we can use the same method. So we're going to do exactly the same. We did the rectangle, we separated them or made squares out of it, and then made triangles out of the squares. Now what we have to do, the numbers that I gave you there, we're just going to write at the same place. The 7, the 5, and the 9 above every square, and then the multiplied by 8. So we're going to do exactly the same. Where the two numbers cross, we are going to write the answer. So 9 times 8 is going to be 72. 8 times 5 is going to be 40. And then 8 times 7 is going to be 56. Now we're going to do exactly the same. We're going to make the diagonals look longer or extend them. And then we're going to do exactly the same that we did. We're going to add the diagonals. Everything that's in the same two diagonal lines. 2 is going to be alone. 7 plus 0 is going to be 7. But look what happens here with the 6 and the 4. That's going to be 10. But I only have space for one number. So I write the unit, the 10. And the 10, the 1 of the 10, that's going to be too big for this space. I'm going to carry over to the next diagonal, and you see there in the small block or the small angle, I'm going to carry over the 10. So now I do the same, 5 plus the 1, and that's going to be 6. Just remember to carry over in the top triangle. Okay, now if I want to write the answer, 6072. Hope it's easy enough. Let's do another one just to make sure that you understand this. Okay, exactly the same method. I'm going to write the numbers there at the top of the squares. Okay, now we multiply the two numbers that's in line with each other, the 7 and the 6, where they cross. We're going to write the answer, 42. And then 7 times 8 is going to be 56. And then 7 times 9 is going to be 63. Okay, let's see what happens now. We're going to make the diagonals longer again. 2 is alone, so I'm going to write the 2. 6 plus the 4 is 10, but look what happens, the 0. There's no space for two numbers, so I carry it over to the next diagonal. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then the 6 is alone in the diagonal, so it will just be 6. And then I write the answer, 6902.